Hello friends, welcome back. So today I just wanted to take this short quick video on how to do some updates on WordPress website. So first and foremost, this is just a sample demonstration that I'm going to be using to update a simple website that I've created using WordPress. First and foremost, let's just go through it. It is a WordPress site. Let's say it's a construction company and it has these features. It has home, about us, services. So as a person or as a developer, let's say you want to get your hand, feet and wet on creating website using WordPress. So basically what I normally do is first I install WordPress. How do you install WordPress on that's going to be another whole video. So first and foremost, let me take you through what a WordPress website entails, right? So after you have installed your WordPress site, you have to install now what we call the themes. These are the look and feel. Let's just open the theme section. This is the look and feel of your website. That is, I've decided to use Porto as my theme. It has added advantages over the normal theme. And then after you have installed the theme, these are where the themes are going to be displayed. And then we have plugins. List of all plugins that are required for your website. And then the good thing is with WordPress, you can update those themes. You can update those themes if new changes in code have been made, and you can have a better experience. There is the better security for those themes. So that is the goodness of having themes on your WordPress website. Next, we have the you can import or export. Example, you can import text from other website. Let's say you have a good design from somewhere and you want to import that design into that website of yours. You can import it and it will bring all the custom features of your website through importation of let me say importation of all the pages, the styles and all the modules of that website. So you just come to tools and then import. So basically you are importing that WordPress website. So you can do that, you can import, and then you can do that, you can import all that. Before you even import, you're going to click on install the importer, WordPress importer, and then it's going to help you do those kind of features. So then you can click on run and then you can do the importation. For example, if you have an existing or a website you have created on another website, like you have created on a production on a development site, and you want to bring it to a live feed, so you can use that, you can import that. And the same thing, let's say you want to back up your website, and for future reference, you can also do export. So with this, you are going to export the entire content of your website, and then you're going just to download that file. It is going to come as an XML, and then you're going to have a backup of your website. Remember to have the plugins and all that in place, because basically the design of your website is going to be determined by the look and feel of your plugins that you have onto your website. So to cut the story short, let's go and take a look of what it imports. So basically we have posts. These are the recent posts. Let's say you want to create latest news or advertisement or things that are really going on into your country, or you are a marketer, you are marketing your website. So whatever you're going to do is you're going to to type that like you have a very good title, a very good title, and then with the description. So the way to go about it, this is a sample title. This is a sample title. Sorry, this is a sample title. This is a sample title. Then you can publish it. You can publish it immediately or after some time. At the same time, if you want to edit, so basically I normally use WP Page Bakery. You can click on that so that it can change the edit version of how you want to edit your website. So basically I normally use this because it is a very good designer of a website. So in terms of look and feel, you can do it in just matter of seconds. So the way you go about it, you're just going to hit on either front end designer or back end designer. Just hit on back end designer. So in terms of websites, you have to understand the layout of your website, and then the way to go about the layers of your website, you have to understand the rows and columns and the designation of where your images or anything else is going to be on your website. So let me say we want to have a website with 3 columns, right? And this, whatever I'm going to use it here, can be implemented on either page or a post. So what you're going to do, you're just going to hit on add element. So whatever you want to add, let's say you want to add you want to arrange your products in rows and columns, you're just going to hit on row, and then right away you're going to select the number of rows and columns that you want to utilize. So let's say I want to utilize 2 columns in 2/3 and a third. So basically, let's say on this other side, I'm going just to hit on add, and then I just want to use an image. I'm going to select a single image on that, and then I'm going to add. So basically, I'm going to pick any image. You can upload any image from your site there, and then you set it as an image, and then you go to save. And then on this other side, I want to put a text description of that image, and then I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to, let me just Control C, Control V, so that it has 2 paragraphs. That's the way you're going to add. Remember, on the image, when you are updating that image, there is the different sizes of image that you want to use. So on this other side, you will just going to use as full image, yeah, just write full. And then if you want to select it center, left, or side, so you're just going to put it at the center, and then you're going to save. If you want to also add other features, other look and feel, you can still customize it on, because I'm using WP Page Bakery. It's a very good thing. So guys, you can do that, and then you can click update. You will see that you have a very outstanding design of your WordPress let me say a post. Okay, post. So you can see it has a title with 2 paragraphs and then an image on the other end. So that is how you can use WordPress to edit your page and have a very outstanding look and feel. For that, guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I just want to take this single second to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's build on this channel, and you'll never have to regret why, and you're going to be one step ahead in terms of business, in terms of design, in terms of as an entrepreneur, you'll just be good. So guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this is the $1 million advice, or the $1 million skill that you're never going to get on any other channel rather than Zach Anime Studios. Continue subscribing to our YouTube channel and continue watching this channel. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and adios. Thank you. Let's meet on the next video, and may God bless you.